Hi, I'm Jonathan Maxwell, Product Manager for Lithonia Lighting. Today, I'm going to show you how to install LDN new construction downlight and tell you why our LDN family is known as the best value in downlighting. The LDN downlight family aperture sizes range from 3 inches to 8 inches. Our 3-inch LDN downlights are discreet with an easy install from below design and can deliver up to 1500 lumens. The LDN 4-inch is one of our most popular downlights and is a perfect solution for everyday general illumination. But the heart of the family is the 6-inch LDN downlight, which delivers up to 5000 lumens at a value that can't be beat. And last but not least, the most powerful downlight on the market is our 8-inch LDN downlight, delivering up to 20,000 lumens. These fixtures have a variety of control options, including sensor switch jot and in-light lighting controls, multiple distributions, environmental ratings, switchable CCTs and lumen packages, dimming options, and so much more. Together, these fixtures create our LDN downlight family, providing you a simple, reliable, and flexible downlight solution for any new construction project and matches seamlessly with the rest of the LDN family.
Today, we will demonstrate how to easily install an LDN6 new construction downlight. Prior to installation, turn off power to take proper safety precautions, and be sure to wear gloves and safety glasses. Cut the ceiling opening slightly larger than the outside diameter on the mounting frame. Assemble the channel bars to each side of the mounting frame with the included hardware. Leave the hardware loose to adjust the position of the frame in the ceiling. Adjust channel bars to correct spacing between T-bars and secure channel bars to T-bar by means of a fastener, wire ties, screws, etc. Position the mounting frame through the opening in ceiling. Adjust the mounting frame vertically to align the bottom edge of the drawdown to either flush or slightly above the ceiling line. Retighten both vertical adjustment nuts and retighten both channel bar clamping screws. If you're using a switchable configuration, set the driver to the choice of your desired color temperature and lumen output. If not, proceed to the next step. Remove knockouts on junction box to feed power supply to fixture. Complete necessary splices. Snap the door driver assembly onto the junction box. Align the opening in the trim with the tabs on the light engine. Rotate the trim clockwise until trim slot aligns with the hole in the trim holder. Secure trim with provided screw. Squeeze the torsion springs on the light engine and insert each leg of the spring into the slots on the brackets on either side of the opening of the mounting frame. Push the light engine and reflector up so it rests flush with the ceiling. Lastly, restore power to finish installing this perfect solution for any new construction project.
Now your customers and their occupants can enjoy a quiet, glare-free ceiling without compromising on efficacy.